Hey everyone, Kathy here, and today we're doing a custom order. I have one of my customers, Margarita. She wanted a couple of loaves, 1 pound loaves, one in Gardenia and then one in grapefruit. Well, today we're going to do the Gardenia. Now, I don't have the best of luck with floral fragrances. So we're going to do our darndest to get something pretty out of this. I'm going to barely blend my lye and oils together, just enough to bring everything together. I'm going to split the batch into two. It's just a small batch. And then at the very last second, I'm going to stir in the fragrance oil and pour it in the mold. So Margarita, if you're watching, florals are very difficult. They tend to seize the batter. So we'll see what we get out of this for you. It's still going to smell lovely no matter what it looks like. But like I said, it's a booger. It's a booger. So I've got my lye and oils there. We're going to get to blending. And then we'll divide it off. Cords all tangled. So burp away here. My lye is at room temperature. The oils are fairly close behind. Okay. So I'm going to divide off my batch now into these two pitchers. You can see it's a beautiful, beautiful textured soap already. Nice and medium trace. I should have had it at a lighter trace even, but that's okay. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna move pretty quick, I think. So first I'm going to stir in the colorant. I'm doing titanium dioxide just to brighten up one part and the other in gold. So a bit of titanium in there with some soaping oil. Gold in here. She wanted this to be sparkly and glittery, which you know me, I love glitter, so I'm using a gold sparkle mica in that portion. I'm going to move my mold in the middle, and we're going to move quick here. I'm going to pour part in there, part in there. We're going to stir really fast and pour, and hopefully it doesn't seize too quickly on me. Stir and then pour. Ooh. La, 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 la. Okay, that wasn't too terrible. I think because I didn't blend forever and I kept things really light as far as trace, so and the white is starting to thicken a bit here in the pitcher. So just trying to get out what I can. So for the Gardenia, that didn't turn out too badly. Yay! Yay! Florals terrify me. I really don't get along with them. And so I really don't use them too often. So just kind of give it a little pretty on the top. like so. And then I'm going to give it just the slightest dusting on the top of this gold, like so. Just gonna tap it just a little. And we're also gonna put some, I think, Super Sparkle. Just to give it a gorgeous, ooh, look at that. So, there we go. We'll show you that up close. Isn't that pretty? And we'll be back to do the cut in just a moment. Okay, we're back and ready to cut this beautiful, I hope, beautiful Gardenia soap. And I'm just looking for a nice little soap stamp to use on this. And I think I'm going to use our tree. So we're going to make them look all pretty for Margarita. So we'll just turn this over, pushing gently to break the seal. That one popped out nice. I'll just get it to pop out the rest of the way. There we go. And here's our loaf. Lovely 1 pound loaf. It smells really pretty too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half and then cut each half in half. So just going to, actually, you know what? I have, I was going to say, here we go. I'm going to measure my loaf just to make sure. We're going right down the middle. And it's 4 inches. So I want to position this right on the 2, which is right there. And down we go. So, oh, isn't that beautiful on the inside? And I'm twisting it off. Look at the swirls. Isn't that gorgeous? So, okay, again, we're going to get 4 bars of this and position it at the halfway mark. So there's 1, 2. Oh, so pretty. And we'll get this last one. Here. Oh, they're so nice. I love them. So I'm going to stamp these, but first I think I'm going to bevel the edges. I do love this beveling tool. It does such a nice job. And I bought it on Etsy, again, if you're wondering. But it works really great just at doing the edges. So there's 1. And then I'm going to spray my stamp with a little bit of alcohol and position it right in the center. Like so. And isn't that gorgeous? It turned out just beautiful. So we'll go ahead and do the others now. Some of you may have noticed that I no longer have comments enabled on my videos, and I just want to explain the reasoning behind that. I need a break from negativity right now. You know, some people say, you know, you just got to have a thick skin, ignore people's nasty comments, etc., etc. Well, that's fine for a while, but I don't know. After a while, it kind of gets to me, and I have no place in my life for negativity or know-it-alls, or, you know, I need a break right now. So that's why the comments are disabled. So it has nothing to do with the, you know, 99.9% of you are wonderful and I love you all. It's just I needed a break right now. So I hope you understand. That's why comments are disabled. But anyway, I just wanted to touch on that really quickly. So they may be enabled at a later date, but right now I just need a break. So, oh, these are turning out so cute. I just love them. Give this another little... I spritz it with alcohol to help it not stick to the soap, because, of course, you want your stamp to look really beautiful. Soap is still just a tad, little bit soft, of course. But just, they're gorgeous bars, and I really hope whoever Margarita is giving these to likes them. If you are ever interested in ordering from me a special order like this, you just have to send me a message either over on Etsy or Facebook, and I always link to each of those sites below my videos. So anyway, she messaged me. She is also one of my customers who gets a subscription box every month. So she just messaged me over on Etsy and did a special request, and I said, of course, and this is what I charge, etc., etc. And so anyway, she's had me make 2 of these nice small loaves. I'm assuming for different people, but she loves to give my soaps away. Anyway, I'll bring it down here. She loves to give my soaps away for gifts. So here we go. The beautiful gold and white Gardenia soaps with the beautiful glitter on the top. Look at that. Isn't that pretty with the swirl and the glitter? And our beautiful soap stamp on each bar. We'll just smooth that out a tad. But they just turned out gorgeous. I love them. And like I said, if you're ever interested in placing an order with me, you just have to send me a message over on Facebook or on Etsy. And we'll get that done up for you. They're 4-week cure time. So Margarita's going to actually get these about the end of February with her February subscription box. Also, I wanted to mention, I adjusted the pricing on our subscription boxes to allow for, I was losing major money on shipping because I was trying to give such a good deal. So I had to adjust our shipping costs. It's still a deal off of what shipping actually costs. So, you know, it may look like a lot, but it's actually less than what I actually pay for shipping. So it's still a deal. But like I said, I have a 3-month subscription box, and now I added a 6-month subscription box. So you pay one fee only, and that covers you for the full 3 or 6 months. And you get 5 different products every month in a beautiful box. Head over to Etsy and you can see the listings, and so there you go. But for now, I want to thank you for watching our little Gardenia soap, which behaved very well. I'm so happy. And it smells beautiful. And this will be going out to Margarita at the end of February. So thanks again for watching. We'll catch you all in the next video. For now, I will say goodbye. And oh yeah, today's my birthday. So happy birthday to me. I'm officially double nickels. So my husband says I'm officially a senior citizen now. I said, no, official senior citizens are 65. I said, that's going to be you this year. So anyway, thanks again, you guys, for watching, and we will catch you all on the next video. Bye for now.